I've never been a fan of artificial turf. I prefer the real stuff, even though some people say my lawn looks fake. That's actually the greatest compliment that I've ever received. Now, you may have seen this headline come across your news and or social media feeds, but some studies have found cancer-causing materials in some of the components that make up artificial turf. This research actually stemmed from reports of 6 former players of the Philadelphia Phillies baseball team dying of cancer. These former players all played at the old Veterans Stadium in Philadelphia, which was an artificial playing surface. That stadium has since been replaced with Citizens Bank Park and real grass. Now, for those who don't know, I have a podcast, which I'll link below, and I went over this whole article and shared a few of my thoughts. Give it a listen after this video. This is a particularly interesting topic for me because I live out west in the desert, and over the last few years we've been dealing with extreme drought conditions. And as you can imagine, artificial turf like this here as a replacement for the real stuff has been advocated for quite a bit among other options. But I'm here to tell you that I never have and I never will believe that artificial turf is a good solution, because it's just not. Here's a couple reasons why. First of all, if it's not installed professionally, and who knows, even if it is, it can look, well, cheap or fake or unrealistic, unnatural. And now, if you've ever been on artificial turf in the summer months, which is typically when we're out and about for the most part, it gets hot, really hot. And studies have actually found that artificial turf can reach temperatures close to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. I hope you're not walking on that barefoot. I've heard some people say that artificial turf is a safer playing surface for kids and for athletes. They are pretty common and they're becoming more and more common. But I'm here to tell you that it's really not a justifiable solution to make the switch from natural grass to the artificial playing surface. In fact, studies have found that artificial turf is much more demanding on the joints and that more injuries are caused on artificial turf than on natural grass. This article that I've mentioned already has talked about the NFL players pressuring the league even to switch from artificial fields to natural grass in all of the stadiums. And that happened last year in 2022. And to go one step further, the US national soccer teams will not play on artificial turf. They will only play on natural grass for the exact same reason. And this is probably the most important thing I want to say. Artificial turf has no benefit for the environment. Real grass is a living ecosystem, and when it's maintained properly, among other things, it acts as a natural filter, and it provides a cooler, localized microclimate, and it filters carbon from the air by means of photosynthesis. So if you've decided that you just aren't committed to maintaining a traditional lawn, that's fine. I can see how pretty much a maintenance-free area can be appealing. However, I would suggest replacing your lawn with a more environmentally friendly alternative. Pretty much anything except artificial turf. There's lots of resources available to help you make that transition. So if you'd like some more information, you can check out the article that I've been referencing down in the description area below. And for more information on how I take care of my lawn, check out this video right here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.